You guys got your reindeer food?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show me. Show me. Grant, you got your reindeer food?
Yes, I do.
Woo!
I got big carrots.
Yes, I heard that's what they like. That's what they said at NORAD.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Come on, bring your oats. We're not having oatmeal. Zachary do that.
Okay, Zachary, you take your oats for the reindeer.
Can you go down the steps?
And this is what you do. You go, woo, you put it all around.
You put it out in the yard too, though.
Yeah, see, you can put the carrots down. Break the carrots.
You can do
Oh, don't you guys like to make a little trail?
Yeah. You want to make a little trail? Mommy.
Yeah, you want to open?
Open that. Zachary, you take these oats. Here, throw them. Here you go. The reindeer will eat them.
Yeah.
Whoa, instant oatmeal.
Oh, instant oatmeal.
With the snow?
He's trying to
Snowing!
Yes.
We're going to get a real white Christmas.
Non-bread.